In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number on your Shopee account. Whether you've recently changed your number or simply want to ensure your contact details are current, following these steps will make the process quick and straightforward. First, you'll need to navigate to the Shopee website using your preferred web browser. Open up the browser and in the address bar at the top, type in Shopee's website address. Once the homepage loads, you'll find yourself greeted by a trove of products just waiting to be explored. But for today, let's focus on updating your account information. Next, you'll need to log into your account, assuming you aren't already. Look for the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once you've successfully logged in, you're a step closer to updating your information. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find your account settings. Head over to your profile, which you can access again from the top right corner. A drop-down menu should appear, and from there, click on My Account. This is where all your personal account information is stored, from your name and address to your contact details. Inside the account settings, you'll see an option labeled Phone Number. Now look for a small link or button nearby labeled Add or perhaps Edit. Clicking on this will allow you to modify your phone number details. This step is crucial as your phone number is often used for account verification purposes, providing an added layer of security to your Shopee experience. Once you click Add or Edit, you'll be asked to input your new phone number. Make sure you type it correctly, double-checking each digit to prevent any errors. The last thing you want is a typo that leads to account access issues later on. Once you're confident that the number is correct, go ahead and save the changes. And that's it. Once these changes are saved, your new phone number will be updated in your Shopee account. It's a simple yet essential task to ensure that Shopee can easily contact you about your orders or any account-related notifications. Keeping your personal information up to date not only helps you manage your account more efficiently, but also enhances your overall shopping experience on Shopee. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy shopping with ease.